Lenyanja or Chinyanja.
Part 1.
In this episode, we're going to talk about introduction, how to introduce yourself or how to ask others to introduce themselves. So, this is how you ask what someone's name is. You simply say, Ndiwe ndani zina yako. Ndiwe ndani zina yako, meaning, what is your name? So, Ndiwe means you in this case, but in other cases, it would mean it's you. Zina means name. Yako means yours or yo. So this means, what is your name? But if you want to be more polite and more respectful, let's say you're addressing someone who is a bit older than you would say, Ndimwe bandani zina yanu. Ndimwe bandani zina yanu, which means the same thing. What is your name? What is your name? And you would respond as, Zina yanga ndine Michael. Zina yanga ndine Michael, which means my name is Michael. My name is Michael. So Zina is name. Yanga is mine. Ndine, in this case, it means is, but in other cases, it would mean it's me. So in this case, it means is. So Zina yanga ndine Michael, meaning my name is Michael. So next is how you ask where someone lives or stay. You simply say unkala kuti, unkala kuti, which means where do you stay or live. And again, if you want to be respectful and polite, you would say munkala kuti. And this is how you respond. You say, Ninkalaku Rodspark. Ninkalaku Rodspark, meaning I stay or live in Rodspark. I stay or live in Rodspark. Kunkala means to stay or live, but in other cases, it would mean to sit. Ku means to or at, depending on the context of the sentence. But in this case, it means in, meaning I live or stay in Rodspark. Next is how to ask how old someone is. You simply say, Ulina miaka zingati. Ulina miaka zingati, meaning how old are you? Miaka is years or age. Zingati is how much or how many. In this case, it means how old are you? How old are you? And if you want to be more polite, you would ask us, Mulina miaka zingati. Mulina miaka zingati, which means the same thing. How old are you? And you would respond as, Nina miaka zidi 27. Nina miaka zidi 27, meaning I am 27 years old. Next is how to ask what someone does for work or where someone works. You simply say, usebenza nchito bwanji. Usebenza nchito bwanji. Kusebenza is to work. Nchito is job or work again. Bwanji in this case means what, but in other cases it means how. So usebenza nchito bwanji means what kind of work do you do? And if you want to be polite, you would say musebenza nchito bwanji. It means the same thing. What kind of work do you do? Another way of asking what someone does for work is usebenza kuti. Usebenza kuti, meaning where do you work? And again, if you want to be polite or respectful, you would say musebenza kuti. Musebenza kuti, which means the same thing. Where do you work? All right, before we wrap it up, I'm going to ask you a few questions from what we've learned, and I want you to drop the answers in the comment box. Question number 1, ndiwe ndani zina yako. Question number 2, ulina miaka zingati. Question number 3, unkala kuti. Question number 4, usebenza kuti or usebenza nchito bwanji. Please drop the answers in the comment section.